but I prepared this kind of simulation demo, and I used transformer.js. It's a library, as you can see, is a library from Hugging Face that allow us to run generative model in browser to do some operations I'd like to do. And as you can see in the simulator, you can enter 2 words or sentences, and these models will actually encode them and convert them into vectors or embeddings, and then try to show similarity, let's say, between these similarity or the distance between these vectors. And one of the key actually important features of also the transformer, they are able to selectively focus on certain tokens. In this, the attention mechanism is what enable LLMs to do that. And what you should also understand here is LLM itself does not call the tool. It just knows about it and asks you to call the tool. And this diagram from OpenAI just showing you that.